In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email templates in Pipedrive. We'll begin right inside your Pipedrive account and work from the sales inbox, which centralizes your emails, syncs with your provider, and automatically links conversations to contacts and deals. This keeps everything organized, speeds up follow-ups, and ensures your whole team sees the full context of each thread. Head to the sales inbox. From here, open a new message by selecting New Email. This launches the email composer where you'll build the content that will become your template. Start by typing a clear, purposeful subject line. A strong subject sets expectations, improves open rates, and makes the template easy to identify later. Keep it concise and relevant to your goal. For example, welcoming a new lead, confirming a meeting, or sending a follow-up. Consistency in your subject naming will also help you and your team quickly find the right template in the future. Next, write the body of the email. Focus on clarity and brevity. State your value up front, include any key details or next steps, and use a friendly, professional tone. If you typically personalize messages, you can add placeholders like first name or company, so you remember to fill those in when you use the template. Keep links, signatures, and calls to action consistent, so your outreach stays on brand. Now, open the Choose Template tab in the Composer. This area is where you can browse existing templates and, importantly, save what you're writing as a new one. It's designed to help you reuse proven messages and keep your outreach consistent across the team. Select Save Draft as a template. This captures your current subject and body and prepares it for reuse. Give your template a clear, descriptive name. For example, if this is your welcome email for new leads, name it accordingly so it's obvious when you're composing a new message. You'll be able to access it anytime you start a new email in the sales inbox, which is great for maintaining speed and consistency with new lead outreach. Choose the highlight option to make this template stand out in your list. Highlighting helps you quickly spot your most important or frequently used templates. Set the visibility to shared so teammates can use the same messaging, or keep it private if it's just for you. Shared templates standardize communication and save everyone time. Finally, click Save. Your template is now ready to use whenever you compose a new email in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.